Ever opened your monthly mobile bill and noticed a mysterious $20 or $50 charge for a service you never signed up for? You might be a victim of Chargeware. While most of us worry about hackers stealing our passwords or locking our files with ransomware, there's a much quieter predator lurking in the app stores. It doesn't want your data, it wants your balance. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Chargeware, what it is, how it sneaks onto your device, and most importantly, how to stop it. In the cybersecurity world, we often call this grayware. It's a specialized type of mobile malware designed to charge you for services without your informed consent. Unlike a virus that breaks your phone, Chargeware is designed to keep your phone working perfectly. Why? Because the longer your phone stays on, the longer it can keep billing you. It focuses on financial exploitation by leveraging something called direct carrier billing. This is where charges are added directly to your mobile network bill, like AT&T, Verizon, or Geo, instead of requiring a credit card. So, how does it actually happen? It usually starts with a simple download. You might find a free game, a flashlight app, or a system booster on a third-party website or through a suspicious ad. Once you open the app, you're often hit with a wall of text, the terms of service. These apps use what we call dark patterns. The text is intentionally tiny, or the accept button is disguised as a play button. Once you click, the malware goes to work in the background. It doesn't need your banking app. It just needs permission to access your SMS or your network billing. From that moment, you are enrolled in a recurring subscription that could cost you anywhere from $5 to $30 every single week. Let's look at 3 common ways this plays out in the real world. First, there's premium SMS fraud. The app secretly sends a text message to a high-cost, short-code number. These are the same numbers used for TV show voting or donations. The app then hides the confirmation text from the carrier so you never even see it. Second, we have rogue subscriptions. You might download a wallpaper app that looks free, but deep in the hidden code, the app triggers a one-click purchase for a $20 a month subscription for premium content you'll never actually use. Finally, there are the fake utility apps. These are battery doctors or RAM cleaners. While they show you a fancy animation of your phone being cleaned, they are actually processing a transaction through your mobile provider. You think you're fixing your phone. They think you're opening your wallet. Now, a quick word of caution. Don't confuse Chargeware with juice jacking. Juice jacking happens physically when you plug your phone into a compromised USB port at an airport or cafe. Chargeware is strictly software-based. It doesn't care where you plug in. It only cares what apps you've installed and how your billing is set up. So how do you stay safe? Stick to official stores. Only download apps from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. They aren't perfect, but they catch 99% of these threats. Review your bill. Every month, look for third-party charges or VS, value-added services. The billing block. This is the ultimate defense. Call your mobile provider and ask them to place a third-party billing block on your account. This prevents any app from adding charges to your bill, period. Stay vigilant. Check those permissions and don't let a flashlight app drain your bank account. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity insights. Would you like me to create a guide on how to check your specific phone's permissions to see if any apps are accessing your SMS? Let me know in the comments.